And we are the Backyard Boys.
So today, coming up next week is 4th of July. So we want to show you and talk about some 4th of July. Today we're gonna make a fun homemade project. They're fireworks.
And we are gonna make some fireworks. They don't shoot off. They don't do any of that that stuff. But they are actually pretty good for no gunpowder inside of them.
Yeah. So they're homemade. A fun little project to do at home. So yeah.
Don't do that without parental controls.
Yeah, you always need a parent by your side. Okay, so here's some things that you need. You need a board, from a wooden board.
We got that one from our bunk bed.
Yeah.
Our old bunk bed.
Yeah. So you need these are very easy to light. They pop.
We'll show you where they are. They're dead plants. They're dead big plants, and they're really easy to light.
You need a napkin. And you need some 3 or 4 zip ties.
We have these. These are my parts. This is like a wooden dowel. I just got it out of my garage. These are like those, the hay, and this is a plastic bag.
So we're gonna start off with the napkin. What you do with the napkin is you take the napkin, you wrap it barely around here, and when you're done with that, you take some of your popping grass and you put it right there. Okay, so this is zip ties. All 3 are zip ties. Take it, wrap them around until. Wrap that around. Take your zip tie, wrap it around even more. Wrap it around like that, so it can be tight. And then you take your other one. Okay, now you're just gonna wrap it around the other parts of the wood to secure it. I'm done with mine. So we're gonna do the finishing touches after my brother Elijah is done with his.
Okay, first you're gonna get the wooden peg. Then with the Walmart bag, get it in the middle as good as you can. As you guys can see, I poked a hole through it, a little bit bigger hole than the stick. Now you're gonna grab the hay, put it as neat as you can, like twist it, put it as neat as you can, and put it right through that other. Okay, now you're gonna have to tie the bag and wrap it around. Tie them. And now we're gonna go light these things. Remember, always have your parents with you.
Keep it in the fire for a second, like 10 seconds.
Then it's gonna start melting the newspaper.
Yeah.
Thing.
Pretty cool to see it actually.
Okay, well, we didn't get to record that last part, but hope there's some more drops. Put it in the fire, and then, you see? Look at that little drip. Now here, look. It's fast, and, oh, there's a big one. Soon, I think the stick's gonna break. Oh, there, cool. Once you look at the spots where it lands, it looks like bird poop. Okay, guys.
Starting to rain. Please, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. So we are Backyard Boys. Peace out.
Can't wait to see you on the 4th of July.